In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Big Cartel. Setting up shipping can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through it step by step, making sure you feel confident by the end of this tutorial. To start, you'll want to log into your Big Cartel dashboard. The dashboard acts as the control center for your online store, and it's where you'll configure all your essential settings, including shipping. Ready? Great. Once you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the Account section. This is usually prominently displayed as it's one of the foundational components of your store setup. Click on Account and you'll be taken to a new page where you can configure various aspects of your store's backend. It's like entering the engine room of your shop. Here's where you tweak the settings that keep everything running smoothly. Once you're in the Account section, you need to highlight the Shipping Profiles tab. This is a crucial step because shipping profiles allow you to manage different shipping options for different locations or products. Click on the section that's highlighted, which will take you to your shipping profiles. With the shipping profiles open, you'll notice you can add new profiles or edit existing ones. This flexibility is ideal for customizing your shipping settings to meet the specific needs of your customers. Next, you're going to type in the details for your shipping profile. Here you'll specify the criteria like shipping rates based on order value, quantity, weight, or location, just to name a few. Inputting these details correctly is key, as they'll determine how your customers are charged at checkout. After you've typed in all the necessary information for your shipping profile, it's time to save your settings. Look for the highlighted section at the bottom or top of the page. It usually says Save Changes or something similar. Clicking this will ensure all your settings are locked in and ready to go. Remember, the key to effective shipping setup is providing clear, concise, and fair options for your customers. Always double-check your rates and settings to avoid any surprise costs for your customers. Unexpected shipping fees can lead to cart abandonment. And that's it! You've successfully set up shipping for your Big Cartel store. The more you explore and customize your settings, the better you'll become at tailoring your shipping strategy to suit your business needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy selling!